Hey guys, Richard here. So guys, if you want to make $100 a day using affiliate marketing, you've got to buy products like this one. This product is going to teach you everything you need to know about the funnels and the different types of pages to put in those funnels that are going to get you to that $100 a day mark. It's the same method that I use every single day, and it's the one that you need to learn if you're serious about growing a business online. JayKay Dowdall is one of the best guys out there as far as training is concerned. He's a very, very experienced marketer, and his products are always very, very high quality. Now the link is in the description below. This is $17 guys, and the amount of information you get on here is an absolute steal. I'm also going to show you something pretty special on here as well. So guys, I may have seen some of the videos I've done on this before. I'm just going to skip through exactly what this is. Basically, it's a series of videos that teach you various types of pages that you can build online, as well as packed full of great resources. So there's workbooks in there. There's things that teach you how to build scripts, how to build headlines in there. All of that is packed into here, and you can go ahead and download all that material, right? So the first thing you need to do is pick a great offer. He's got a workbook on that teaches you how to do that with a very, very detailed video. And then each one of them has got kind of 3 videos attached to them that teach you various aspects of what you're going to do with the various pages. So the first one is a squeeze page that gives you an overview of what a squeeze page is. Then it tells you exactly where in the funnel your squeeze pages can fit, and depending on different types of funnels, these can kind of fit in different places. Do not worry if you don't know what a funnel is. This is going to teach you exactly what it is. And then it teaches you exactly how to build those pages. So whatever page builder you've got, you can follow along and just copy what he's doing and build those pages. He has the same for lead magnets. Lead magnets are very, very important if you want to go ahead and catch people's details. He teaches you how to build lead magnets and the best type of lead magnets to use. Bridge pages, advertorial pages, quiz landers, video sales letter pages, written pre-sale workbooks. It is absolutely packed. For $17 guys, this is an absolute steal. Go down now, grab it now before it goes up to $47. The cool thing is as well, he's got some pretty meaty bonuses here. And the best one is a one-on-one with the man himself, JayKay. Now this guy is a very, very experienced marketer. He's been around for about 15-20 years now, and he really, really understands his topic. And if you want to learn and get to kind of some FaceTime with a guy that's going to teach you how to build a proper business online, you got to get this session. And this is for $17, guys. This is unheard of. This guy could easily charge $300-400 for this time, right? So you need to jump on this, guys. I know I've made a few videos about this over the last couple of days. I really want my audience to make sure they're getting high quality information. Go ahead and grab this. You'll see the link in the description below. And guys, I'll see you on the inside.